This video aims to demonstrate how we can assist organizations to achieve effective governance control by automating access management to complex ERP environments. It will walk you through 6 sections. Access provisioning of Oracle accounts. Addition or removal of roles from an existing Oracle account. Access deprovisioning of Oracle accounts. Auto-reconciliation of the roles updated from Oracle to Access Flow. Access reviews or attestations. And reports. Let's get started. Access provisioning of the Oracle account. Navigate to the Browse Catalog tab on the Access Flow portal, then click on Add or Remove Oracle Account category. This feature helps in creating a new Oracle account for an existing ServiceNow user. Now enter the user whose access you have requested to add and set an account start date for adding the access. Select application name, responsibility name, and responsibility start date for the user. Other details like employee ID are auto-populated. After you have double-checked the information, click on the Submit button, and a request will be created successfully. As a requester, you can monitor the request and see if any approvals are pending. This is where you can see it. After following the approval process, the workflow creates the account automatically. To verify that the account has been created on Oracle, go to the Oracle system and enter the employee name of the user for whom we had submitted the request on Access Flow, and then click Find. The record will show that the Oracle account has now been created with a role assigned to it, and its effective date can be seen here. The person to whom the permission was requested can check whether the role has been added to the user's account by going to the home page and clicking on View under the Oracle category. Addition or removal of roles from an existing Oracle account. To grant access to a user, navigate to Manage Access Catalog and click on Add Access. Select single user or multiple users to whom the roles are to be assigned. You can also select the access start date and end date. For category, select Oracle and then select the associated permissions and its environment. After clicking Add to List, you'll be able to return to the other roles to request other permissions on Oracle. During the approval process, the risk associated with the roles selected will also be highlighted. Once you have selected all the required roles, the request can be submitted, and the request number will be generated. Roles will be added automatically, or an email request will be sent to the fulfillment team following the approval process, depending on the way the workflow has been configured. This can be verified on the Oracle system by entering the employee name of the user for whom we just submitted the role request on Access Flow, and then click Find. The record will be displayed under Direct Responsibilities tab, showing the responsibilities along with the access start date and the end date. The person to whom the permission was requested can check whether the role has been added to the user's account by going to the home page and clicking on View under the Oracle category. Similarly, access to roles can be removed by clicking on the Remove Access button. Select a user to open the list of all the accesses that have been granted to or requested by them. Check that particular access and remove access. This can be verified on the Oracle system by entering the employee name of the user for whom we had submitted the role request on Access Flow and then clicking Find. The record will be displayed under Direct Responsibilities tab, showing the updated responsibilities along with the end date. The person to whom the request to remove permission was made can check whether the role has been removed from the user's account by logging in and going to the home page and clicking View under the Oracle category. Access deprovisioning of the Oracle account. Similar to provisioning, we can perform deprovisioning of an Oracle account. Under Browse Catalog, click on Add or Remove Oracle Account category. Select the Remove option under Add or Remove Access field. Under Requested For field, select the user whose account needs to be removed. Once the username is selected, employee details are auto-populated. Now select the account end date and click on the Submit button. Clicking on the Submit button successfully creates a remove request. Following the approval process, the workflow removes the account automatically. To verify that the account has been removed on Oracle, go to the Oracle system, enter the employee's name of the user for whom we had submitted the Remove Account request on AccessFlow, and then click Find. The record will display the account end date and under Direct Responsibilities tab with the updated role end date. Auto-reconciliation of the roles updated from Oracle to AccessFlow. If roles are added or removed from the Oracle system, it automatically reconciles or updates the same in the AccessFlow system. Access Reviews, Attestations. On the header, there is a Reviews and Approvals tab. Once you click on it, the page showing all the requests will open. Users can be attested manually or on a regular basis to ensure that they have the least level of accesses to perform their job functions. Reports. To view a summary of all the activities, navigate to Reports and click on AccessFlow Oracle Dashboard. Here, one can see all the user permissions that will expire soon, closed requests, your accesses, all at one single place.